What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. Only have one story today, and I actually got it from an advertisement, believe it or not. It's about the Galaxy Tab S6. If you've known and you've been watching my channel over the last few days, the Galaxy Tab S6 is up for pre-order currently on Amazon. I'll link that down below. But you probably want some more options. Well, there is another option, and it's gonna be through Samsung.com. So what happened? I'm on Facebook, just browsing, and I saw a Galaxy Tab S6 advertisement saying the following. Meet the two-in-one that's your all-in-one PC level performance meets tablet mobility to let you multitask with ease, all on the new Galaxy Tab S6. Pre-order yours August 8th. Now, what's that mean? Where can you buy it? It's probably gonna be all the stores, but at this point, it's definitely gonna be on Samsung.com. Why is that important to you? They're gonna possibly have really good trade-in values for the Galaxy Tab S4, S3, and other older tablets as well. So if you're looking to trade in your tablet like I am, I'm looking to trade in my tablet S4, this is gonna be the best option. So I'll link the Samsung store down below in case you want to check it out. But the pre-order is not up right now, but August 8th it looks like it will. I don't know exactly what time either. But again, if you're looking to trade in, that'll probably be your best option. Thanks for watching, guys. Your question of the day is, are you even interested in the Galaxy Tab S6? Is it a tablet you're thinking about getting or want to get? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. See you guys down the road. Peace!